Welcome this morning at Apart Audio, where we are introducing the KUBO loudspeakers to you. It's a new series of cabinet loudspeakers in a 3-inch and a 5-inch version that can be available in an 8 ohm model or a combined 16 ohm 100 volts 70 volts model. The beauty of it is that it is a design loudspeaker that allows for a very big tilt angle, up to 140 degrees. Taking the end caps away allows you to really turn the loudspeaker in a very, very big angle, and it can be mounted, as you can see here, very close to the wall. Now, depending on the angle that you turn it, you put the end cap in place, and by turning it the other way around, you remove the end caps, you turn it to the other way, and put the end caps up just the opposite way around. So that's the beauty of it, all is hidden away. Now, there is a very installer-friendly rotary switch to set the power tapping on the loudspeaker that can be located up here. Very intuitive to do, no tools needed. The bracket of the loudspeaker allows the cable management to go in from the side or from the rear. And this is the design solution. Liked by retail a lot is the light rail bracket that we supply as an option with the KUBO system. So, extra addition to the Apart cabinet loudspeaker range. Thank you very much.